I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. In each episode, I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. This is episode 61, Title and Title Insurance. On your closing disclosure, you may see title insurance and wonder what it is and why it's there. In episode 48, we talked about the deed. If there's a discrepancy in the title, a previous owner can claim they never agreed to sell the property. Building off of our last episode on marital interest, you can see how this is possible. Title insurance is in place to make sure if there's a discrepancy in the title work, the owner of the policy is protected. If a long-lost heir suddenly shows up and claims they still own the property, the title insurance goes to work. Your attorney can likely give you more details. Again, that's one of the reasons they're part of our team. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a lot of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe on each and stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.